Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream at home with a Ziploc bag easy guide. Begin by gathering heavy cream, sugar, vanilla, ice, rock salt, and 2 Ziploc bags. Put cream, sugar, and vanilla in the smaller bag, seal it well, then place it inside the larger bag filled with ice and salt. Seal and shake vigorously until the cream firms into ice cream, then enjoy immediately. Start by combining 1 cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons sugar, and half a teaspoon vanilla in the smaller Ziploc bag and sealing it tightly. Place the sealed cream bag into the larger bag filled with ice and a generous handful of rock salt, then seal the big bag. Hold and shake vigorously, massaging the bag so cold transfers evenly. Check after 5 minutes and continue until you reach a scoopable consistency. When the mixture begins to thicken, add chocolate chips, berries, or cookie crumbs for texture and flavor without overworking the ice cream. For lighter results, substitute half and half or use coconut milk for a dairy-free option, and experiment with extracts or cocoa powder for new flavors. Keep the bags cold by replacing melted ice if needed, and serve promptly for the best creaminess and taste with minimal cleanup required.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.